In my last video, Peter, his friend, and I traveled to Koh Rong Island. We started by taking a van to Sihanoukville, and from there we caught a ferry to the island. The trip felt like it was going to be amazing. Good vibes, smooth sailing and all that. Once we got there, we spent most of the night eating and drinking. At first, everything seemed fine. Great food, lots of drinks, the kind of night you'd expect on a tropical island. But somewhere along the way, reality hit us. We actually hated the place. You know that moment when you realize things aren't as great as they seemed? Yeah, that was us, sitting there thinking, how did we end up here? And how loon can we leave?
Look at that toothpaste. Wait, I'll just flip the camera.
It's dog shit, mate.
I have real toothpaste. You want
Can I just inject it?
I have real toothpaste. Good morning, guys. It's the next day here on Koh Rong. Me and Peter decided last night that we want to leave the island. There's just nothing to do here, and 4 more nights is ridiculously too many. So yeah, we're gonna go get something to eat, look for a motorbike so we can go around the island in the day, and then figure out what time we need to leave the island and go to that Chinese city where we came from, Sihanoukville.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's a nice day out.
Fucking looks beautiful.
Yeah. I think the day here should be great.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just go to the beach right there.
That's fabulous.
Yeah, at night, I mean in the day, it's great.
I feel like it loses a lot at night.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. It's shit at night.
Yeah. You can't really swim, can't see the beauty.
Yeah.
It just becomes depressing immediately.
Well, I wish we could stay here in the day as long as possible and then leave it. I know what's on there.
You want to eat here?
Yeah, let's ask first.
Okay, let's ask first, come back. Right. Yeah, I feel like everything's here.
They have a boat trip for it's 7 hours long. I wonder what the fuck that is.
I mean, they did say you should go on a boat trip.
Yeah.
False advertising here.
Phlegm.
I think they have breakfast too.
Hello. Yeah, let's go here, but let's ask first.
Yeah, just to get a different type of place.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
Breakfast and cafe, wonderland.
We will be back in a moment. We just
Yes.
want to go talk about the ferry company.
Thank you.
Like everyone understands.
I don't think she understood, but what do you think?
Or maybe all of these companies are just connected anyway.
I have no clue. Sure.
Find a fan spot.
Over here.
Yeah? Okay.
Thank you. So we found out the last boat's 3:30, and now we're at breakfast. Let's do it.
Options once again, because in theory, if we just put our
Chill
shit
here.
down and we go for a swim for an hour, and then we go have some more food, and then we what time did I say was that?
12 and 2.
12 would be a very
No, we're not making the 12 one.
good.
We could?
I mean, we could swim.
Well, we
right
don't
now.
need to get the food. We could just swim.
Then, swim and get on a ferry.
Dude, I'm down for that.
I know you are super stoked for that one.
I'm just lazier than you are.
Yeah, I get that.
But
that is a very, very viable timing option. I wish fucking Errol could wake up so I could tell him that
we're doing, yeah.
Because it'll be weird if we're just literally on the
gone
ferry and we just fucking dumped.
Yeah, that would be weird. But you could message him now and tell him what we're fucking doing. Just be like, listen, dude, we had enough. Like, we kind of just want to explore Cambodia. We don't really want to hang out on the island anymore. We just wanted to let you know, like, if you want to wake up or say goodbye, we have your ticket too. Well, we can give it to this hotel if we can't find him.
Yeah. Maybe that'll
wake him up.
Yeah, it's good, right?
But tell him we're gonna go swim. Or well, what are we doing?
What are we doing? You know what I want to do?
What?
Did you see a Western toilet in that restaurant we went to before? No.
There was a toilet, but I don't know if it was Western toilet. We got a shit?
No, yeah, but I mean...
Oh, last night?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
Western toilet.
It wasn't clean, but it was...
I mean,
yeah.
not horrifying.
Not horrifying. Why?
Because I'm thinking of getting a bevy and thinking about our life.
Sure.
Because I haven't been able to figure out what I want to do and I'm conflicted, so let's have a bevy.
Sure.
Fuck it, right?
Dog is always... The dogs here, like, just love chilling with people. This camera won't go down. What are you gonna do?
Like, sitting here right now, doing exactly what I want, and having a bevy.
You may be hearing Peter use the word bevy quite a lot.
Because I'm thinking of getting a bevy. Let's have a bevy. And having a bevy.
Peter's thing is calling alcohol bevies, like, let's grab a few bevies. It sounds kind of innocent, but trust me, it's not. It's just his way of making drinking sound way more casual than it really is. Like, oh, it's 7 a.m. Let's grab a bevy.
And having a bevy right now because I feel like I'm miserable. I don't know what I like. I don't know what I want. Mad? I don't know. Wow. Yeah, you can literally run and stick it in the water and all kind of shit. Yes.
I'm curious why you got this camera out of anything else.
I don't know either. It was fucking me and Jojo. We got bored and we wanted to spend money on shit.
Fair enough.
And we thought 360 would be cool.
No, I don't know. I don't know
what a margarita is all about.
10:30 a.m. Oh, daiquiri? I don't know what the fuck is that.
Exactly. How's your margarita?
Pretty good.
Good.
So we pretty much made up our minds that we are gonna go back to the mainland. This island's got weird vibes. There's just nothing to do.
Some of the weird vibes we got on the island came from people who looked like they were in the middle of meth benders, casually inviting us to movie night. At one point, we asked a girl what there was to do on the island, and she mentioned a bar throwing a birthday party, but then added, oh, it's just for locals. And the thing is, none of these people were even Cambodians. They were all foreigners. The whole place just didn't feel very welcoming.
It's beautiful. The water's beautiful, sand's beautiful. Yeah, just, we want to do some exploring. We both want to see like more smaller places in Cambodia. This is just a touristy white people destination, which is cool, but I just feel like things are weird here. Like, we ordered margaritas just now, and whatever Peter got, and there was just bugs in it. Like, not like one bug accidentally flew in it. It was more like there were 5 bugs just floating around. And
where did they come from?
Where did they come from? Because they didn't come from here. So yeah, just the vibes here are just weird. It's beautiful, beautiful place, but strange vibes. So we're gonna move on. Peter's looking up where to go next. This thing never tracks my face. It's filming over there.
It's fine. It's fine.
It's fine. Yeah. What are you looking up?
Just finding a potentially cheaper hotel for us.
Oh, sure, yeah.
I found a place that has a brekkie.
Sure.
I don't know if it's fucking good or not. But
that's fine.
It's a third of the price.
Sure.
It's close to the area.
Uh-huh.
It has... I can see if it has a pool. But I mean, there's a beach.
Sure. Fuck it. Yeah.
It's basically close to yours. It has an outdoor swimming pool.
An outdoor one.
Yes.
Perfect. This one had an indoor one. I
Only
prefer
an
outdoor.
indoor, yeah.
Prefer an outdoor one.
Yeah, right?
Yes. Get it.
Right?
Book it.
336 square.
Book it.
Well, I mean, give me another 15 minutes.
Sure.
And I'll look for more stuff. But I mean,
Sounds great. The outdoor swimming pool turns me on.
it does turn me on too. I saw the picture and I was like, I want that.
Yes.
Looks
Fine. Let me see.
I mean, the room.
Perfect.
There's nothing wrong with it. Right?
Perfect. Oh,
Oh.
fuck, 10 times better. Right now.
I know. And I mean, outdoor pool.
Perfect. What's the pool? Yeah, show me the pool. Oh. Oh, fucking book it. Book it.
Right?
The paradise. When we go to those smaller cities, I want to eat some weird shit like tarantula and like human.
Human.
Yeah.
I mean, we're at the right fucking place to eat human.
I think we'll have a good time. This is more adventurous, I feel like. Like these next 4 days,
Yeah.
it's gonna be more memorable. Alright, let's go in that water. How's it feel? I'm coming right in. So good. Yeah. Alright, let me put this down.
See, fucking arrows said something.
12 o'clock.
We've been awake for days, man.
We did a lot.
Crawled out of the fucking.
Finally went
I got a
swimming.
message from him.
What did he say? Fuck you, guys. I hate you. Black Lives Matter. How was your marijuana?
It's not the fucking best salt.
What's the name of this? The...
Curry chicken.
Okay. Well, in all right. Thank you. I meant in her. I meant in their language.
She's not wrong though.
I'm gonna try curry chicken, but I don't know what it is in her language.
Curry chicken.
Curry chicken. Everything's
We
curry.
started directly from them. Chicken.
Chicken curry. Not bad.
Is it spicy? No.
This is curry chicken and Khmer. What is it? Going.
Wangori. Let me try your chicken. Let me try some sauce.
Curry. It's like saying curry with the Khmer accent.
I think mine's better.
Amon or whatever. It must be chicken.
You wanna try?
Okay.
See the chicken.
Try some
El
sweet stuff. This
chicken.
looks like American Chinese food. No, this is better.
We found bugs in our drink and we're like, let's try the food here.
I totally forgot about that.
I know, me too.
Oh well. The bar and the kitchen are separate, right? I hope so.
You never eat, huh? This is why you're skin and bones, sir. How are you gonna survive when the apocalypse hits?
Better than us, because we'll be so hungry.
If during an apocalypse, you gotta start eating humans. They want to eat the bigger boys first.
Yeah,
So I'm the.
Perhaps, but
What's the point of killing me when you got?
then again, we might be the hungry ones.
Yeah, we kill it faster.
Yeah,
But
I
saying
mean,
killing one of you is gonna feed you a lot longer than killing me.
Yeah.
but our ability to kill others is in theory slightly enhanced.
Not if I got a gun.
Yeah, true. And you got a bigger target to hit. But I have some natural armor. We'll have to see when the apocalypse hits. We just eat the other people. I don't want to eat the Indian though.
Eating Indian?
No, thank you.
It's natural curry in the meat.
It's flavored.
It's already spiced.
I don't know if
Pre-spiced.
it's the flavor I want.
I love Indian food. My first night here, I had Indian food.
Indian food's great.
It is great, yeah.
Around that area, there's a lot of, where I was staying last night, there's a lot of Indian restaurants.
Good.
So like 2 in the morning or whatever time it was, like 1 a.m. or whatever, we had Indian food before we called it a night.
Yeah, you're right. Like, when I used to live in Vietnam, they had that street too, like very similar to this one. It was all Indian restaurants. I guess like Indians like to go get prostitutes.
Should I add another 10, or do you think that's too much?
I don't know.
That's...
Fuck it, throw it in.
Yeah.
We were here for like 5 hours.
Yes, and we got regular service.
Yes.
And good service except for the bug.
Except for the bug. But they redeemed themselves.
Family, yeah, they did. The food was fantastic.
Yeah, it was good.
I don't want to sit in this boat. I'm not feeling it. I don't think this one can go much faster than...
That would be
the big
very
one.
slow.
Yeah. Well,
Maybe that one? On the left?
What, the blue one? Yeah.
But I don't see anything.
I mean, we'll get the photos from his crew as they're coming into port, and that'll be us boarding their ship and saying hello, 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 fellas.
Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
Someone.
I guess it's possible then. Let's wait till we drive and then we'll open it. Like, see if it's doable.
Where is it though?
Alright, we're off to Sihanoukville. Peter.
Hi.
We just met all of Arrol's friends. And say goodbye.
They seem like good chat.
Very nice, yeah.
Very, very nice.
The ferry to the island was big and slow. The trip took about an hour and a half. But on the way back, we got a much smaller, faster ferry. And the trip took only about 30 minutes. It was such a relief to get off that island as soon as possible.
You're going to Nampong now?
No.
Yeah, I don't know. This is the name. Munich Hotel.
Munich Hotel.
Yes.
Yes, I know.
How much?
All $6.
Oh no. I can get that cheaper, I think. I can just get a Grab. It's much cheaper.
How much you pay?
$2.
Is it $2?
Yeah, it should be $2. Okay, where are we going? Munich, yeah? Okay, we're picking up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Oh, he didn't even like bother. Yeah, fuck him.
Yeah, 7,600.
What's that? I don't know what that means.
It's 13 yuan.
Okay, yeah, that's way cheaper.
Or we can get a Grab car. I'm gonna just add both, yeah?
Grab car or grab what?
Tuk-tuk.
Sure.
This is the car.
Get the car. I'd like to take the tuk-tuk if it's already here, but
Yeah.
fuck him.
Got a car. like, how do they still think they can rip people off?
Yeah.
We finally managed to get off the island. Peter felt a bit guilty about leaving his friend behind, but luckily the guy's other friends had just shown up, so at least he wasn't alone. If you haven't seen the first 2 videos in my Cambodia series, go check them out and catch up on the whole story. And make sure to stick around for the next episode, where we explore what might be the worst city in Cambodia.